Simply download the plugin, go to Plugins in your WordPress dashboard and click Add New. Upload and activate your plugin. You're now ready to go. Let's say you had a page promoting the Sony Bravia 3D TV. To add misspellings to this page, simply click the misspelling icon. Type in what you want misspelled and select the boxes. Click Generate. Now click Insert. The typos are now placed on your page. To add other misspellings, just repeat the process. This is especially effective for product model numbers like this. Click Update to save the changes. As you can see, the misspellings are now on our page, but if we look at what our visitors see, they aren't visible. However, if we look at the actual source code for the page, we see that they are there ready to be picked up by the search engine spiders. This is quite frankly one of the easiest and most powerful ways to get free targeted traffic that there possibly is.